right, so every day when you launch your boat, you're gonna unclip your safety chain and then crank your winch down. How can that ride right there? That's crazy.
Because
Okay.
at least it's not the GoPro.
Undo your straps in the back. They snap off. And then back here, we've got a wedge transom saver, so we're gonna lift that. On my boat, I gotta make sure that the steering arms right here don't smash this transom like they did here. You can see the scratches. That's okay. That noise is okay, it's just a little bit low on hydraulic fluid, so it's a little squeaky. Sounds better going down. Don't put it too far down or you'll end up your skeg on the ground. This is not what we did here. We went through some really shallow water. And then the winch in the front, when I unstrap that winch in the front, if you're on a very steep launch, you're not going to want to undo your strap on the front all the way, or else your boat will slide down the launch. So the most important part of launching your boat is making sure you put the plug in, which we almost forgot.
Who's not thinking?
All right, and then our boat actually has another plug that I take out over here, which is actually in, so we're good.
Good. So what do you do when your engine's not working but you need to put your boat back on the trailer?
You gotta pull it.
So line it up. You're seriously gonna pull that?
Yeah. It's not even on the right
side.
So I threw it over that cleat so I can pull it that way. And then if I need it this way, I'll just pull there.
Nothing a little manual labor can't fix.
Now I can probably back my trailer a few feet. Now that it's tied down, it's right in the center.
Look at that boat magic.
Crank it. Put your safety chain on. You always put your truck in park before you put it in gear. Or out of gear.
Look at that. Let's see if it falls off.
All right, so when you hook the boat back up, you're just gonna put your straps on. I put the small side up top, strap down here. The strap, you don't want it too tight, snug, because you're about to strap this part and that's gonna get it real snug. And then fold that up, keep it out of the street. And then your transom saver, my wedge goes in here. You're gonna push your tilt. You gotta push your tilt all the way up. Make sure that your hydraulic jack plate is high enough that you don't smash the transom with your steering cables like I'm about to do. So I'm gonna go put the hydraulic jack plate up slightly so we don't smash anything. So with the motor all the way up, you'll slide your wedge in here and then smash it back down so it looks about like that, and then put your other strap on. If you want, undo your water right here so all the water drains on your way home. This boat does not leak very much, so there's hardly ever any water.
I don't know. There you go. And it's ready? Power in, how's it ready?
Now we're ready to go.
Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more.